Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8, video number 71, Algebraic Expressions and Identities, Section B, Tough. Let's start. A t-shirt costs rupees x square minus xy minus y square and a sweater costs rupees 2x square plus 8xy minus 2y square and a jeans costs rupees x square minus 3xy plus y square. Okay. After buying these items, Rajesh paid rupees 2x plus y the whole square to the shop. How much will he get back? Means this is the total cost of all these items. This is the amount he has paid. Now we have to subtract this total from this. Okay. So total cost we will find out. Firstly write down all these things. Now add them. This becomes 4x square plus 4xy plus y square. 4 minus 3. Right. 8 minus 4, this 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, now this is the total amount of the all the items. Now what did he give? 2x plus y the whole square. Now what is the square of this? 4x square plus 4xy plus y square. So he gave this much only and the total was this much only, same. So what will be the change? Given minus total, 0. He won't get anything. Next, find the perimeter of the following field. Now these are the dimensions of the field. Area is given as 3a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. One side is given as a plus b. Now field is rectangular. Okay. Rectangular means area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Okay. Area is given as what? 3a square plus 5ab plus 2b square equals to, let's say this is the breadth. We don't know either it's length or breadth. You can take anything. So we'll take. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.